Salam and greetings to everyone. Welcome back to Studio Rags. Today we have 3 projects in hand again. The weather is very fine, it's nice and cloudy, and I decided to do some tie-dyes because I usually work outdoors. So you can see there are 2 white tees in front of me, and I'm going to do 2 different projects on these t-shirts. I actually decided to change these white boring tees into some nice tie-dye project, and this is part of my summer collection. The first method is roll and crush. Well, that's my own invented name. You can name your project as you like. Obviously, there are no rules really. So you see that you can put the shirt flat down and then roll the entire shirt and then tie it. I am using my plastic bag loops. I just cut a plastic bag into different loops and I tied it over the shirt. I usually like to utilize the items available in my surrounding so that it's not really a burden on the pocket or the environment. So that's how you just roll it and secure or tie it with the rubber bands or thread or these plastic bag loops, whatever you like. If you like this idea, do tell me. And you squeeze or crush the shirt inwards. Here you can see that the shirt is dried. I haven't soaked it into the soda ash as yet. I'm going to do that later. And now you can secure the ends with a rubber band so the shirt doesn't keep moving and the pattern of the tie-dye is not disturbed. Now this is the second shirt or the second technique. I have decided to do it in a shibori style, and you just put it half folded and then you neatly fold in the pleats in an accordion manner or a zigzag manner. Here I am using the plastic milk bottle strips. I cut the plastic milk bottle and I'm putting the strips on both the sides. So that's the second part of the t-shirt, and I am securing this with the plastic bag loops. I sometimes like to do the soda ash soaking manually because I find it easier, and actually it's not really a rule that you have to first soak and dry the articles. So after the soda ash soaking, I waited for 20 minutes and now I have started putting on the dye. For this shirt, the roll and crush, I'm using bright yellow, and I'm going to apply golden brown. You can see that I have made sort of strips or the stripes with the dye. I decided to do this kind of a pattern where on one portion yellow is dominant and on parts of it brown is dominant. So apply the dye properly and try to cover in all the folds and everything. And just do it the best you can. Now it's time to apply the dye on the shibori style. So I have used blues for this shirt. This is blue, and I'm going to use some blue, some turquoise, and a grape purple dye on this. I'm sorry, this portion of the video is sort of uncomfortable because it was really windy and the light was reflecting, and that has been enhanced by the speed up of the video actually. So it's sort of flickering really fast. So I have soaked the t-shirt properly in the dye and put it aside. And the third project is a random crush. Not a crush as in the other crush, but as I said, you can give it your own name. Just for the sake of understanding, I have called it a crush, and really it is like that you put down your article and then you start crushing or pinching inwards, and then you secure it with rubber bands or cotton cord or thread. So I put the dye into this little plastic tub and put the t-shirt in, and but then I realized that you wouldn't be able to see, so I took it out and applied the second layer, the citrus orange on top of it. And then you wrap all the articles and put them aside for aging for 24 hours. So just make sure that you have applied enough dye that it seeps inside into the folds of the article. So after 24 hours, I washed them with cold water, properly rinsed them, and then run them through the hot water. This is just for your understanding the result for Roll and Crush Shibori style and the Random Crush t-shirt, just for your understanding. I hope you liked the techniques. If you have a question or you have a suggestion, then don't hesitate, please do drop me a like. And that is all from Studio Rags. Thank you very much for watching, and if you would like to join me, then join my workshops to learn the tie-dye. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.